I was working at a cool tech firm back in the 90s, which I was very happy at. And I met this big-nosed northern boss, who I'm still friends with many years later. And he was trying to steal me to go and work at another firm with him. And he was like, oh, come on, Carla, just come and work there. It's going to be great. Oh, I can pay you a load of money. I can do this. I can do that. And I thought, oh, that's high risk. I've got a mortgage to pay. I had a little mortgage. What am I going to do? And then he said to me, which was quite a good way to goad me to leave with him. And he said to me, how many times do they tell you you're a diamond? And I'm like, all the time. And he said, how many times have they basically indicated, yeah, you are a diamond, but you're a rough diamond and you need a lot of work and they can do that for you? And I was like, yeah, they do that. And so then he said, let me be clear. Rich people are standing at the top of the corporate ladder pretending that you're allowed up there with them. And he did the action of a man pissing down the ladder and saying, I hope you fall off, you silly bitch. So that's my story for the day. Once he said that, I thought, yeah, you're right. That is exactly how they treat me. So I went to work for him. And when I went to work for him, he literally gave me a 95% increase on my basic salary, which is like double the money. And he also gave me a guaranteed bonus, like a performance bonus, for the first 3 months of me being there, because I was earning my bonuses every month at my old firm. So what he basically did was gave me an incentive to move, right? So he doubled my salary and then he guaranteed that I wouldn't lose my bonus for 3 months. And the most important thing on that story is ultimately he thought the value that I contributed to the firm where he knew me from, my work ethic and commitment to doing a good job, and my loyalty to him, which he had bought in spades by giving me lots of cash, was worth it. So you deserve it too, right? So why wouldn't you go for it?